name is Varilla, and thank you for watching this video. It's gonna be a special video for today because it's my birthday! Happy birthday to me! Birthday! Happy birthday to me! Yay! So currently, the world is suffering from a pandemic called COVID-19 and everybody should stay at home. And to all my friends, I miss you. Let's celebrate our birthdays soon. So this quarantine, I've decided to make myself a cake. Kung hindi nyo alam guys, I am an HRM graduate and I learned how to bake and cook. You know, I'll be making 30 pieces of pancake for my 30th birthday. Yes, I'm 30. So if you want to see how I make my pancake, then keep on watching. So welcome to my kitchen! O diba, feel na feel ko, gandang setup ko today. Feeling ko pwede na ako pang cooking YouTube channel. Feeling ko I'm a pro chef right now, but I'm just making a pancake. But this is not ordinary pancake, okay? We're making it from scratch. Here are all the ingredients. So, gagamit ako ng sieve, strainer, sifter, kung ano mang meron kayo dyan, for flour, just to separate yung mga buo-buo. Alam nyo, before, I'm kind of scared to turn 30 kasi feeling ko I'm old. But, nung nasa 30s na ako, actually, favorite ko yung 30s kasi feeling ko lang to. Ito yung masyadong, ano siya. Feeling ko, ito yung pinakamagandang stage of life ko. Though, medyo maganda ako. Maganda ako, 30. So, yeah, sieve lang natin yung flour like this. So, we're gonna put the baking powder and we're gonna put the sugar. Sugar! Yes, please! So, all the dry ingredients are mixed in this one bowl. So, I have the butter here. It has to be melted, so while waiting for the butter to melt, we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients on the other bowl. Okay, we're gonna put the milk. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung salt. Oh! Oh! Oh my God, muntik ko na nakalimutan yung butter. Bumukulo na. Finally, I've already mixed all my wet ingredients and dry ingredients, and then let's preheat our pan. My pancake is perfect.
Oh, 5 pancakes! 25 pancakes to go!
After a few hours, it's finally done. Here are my 30 pieces pancakes. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try to stack all these 30 pancakes, okay? that's it. Here's the stack of 30 pancakes. Let's see. And that's it, guys. Finally, here's my 30 stack of pancakes for my 30th birthday. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit like, comment down below, and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye!